Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 500. This twin-cylinder, lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 1,100 miles on the odometer. Showroom condition, beautiful matte gray finish. Come on by and make your Rebel 500 dreams come true. This gorgeous 22 model, price to sell for just $59.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.